Good morning, children. Education is our passport to the future. For tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. Children, previous class we have seen muscular tissue. In muscular tissue we have seen skeletal muscles, smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. And we have seen nervous tissue. Today we are going to learn cell division. Cell division, types of cell division, amitosis, mitosis and meiosis. Today we will learn only amitosis and mitosis. Today we are going to learn cell division. You may wonder how a single cell then goes to form such a large organism. All cells reproduce by division, and division of cells into daughter cells is called cell division. Next, types of cell division. The three types of cell division that occur in animal cells are amitosis. Amitosis otherwise called direct cell division. Then mitosis. Mitosis is indirect cell division, otherwise called indirect cell division. Then meiosis. Meiosis is otherwise called reduction division. Now let us see amitosis. It is the simplest mode of cell division and it occurs in unicellular animals. Unicellular animals example amoeba. Unicellular animals, aging cells and in fetal membranes. During amitosis, nucleus elongates first and a constriction appears in it which deepens and divides the nucleus into two. Followed by this cytoplasm divides, resulting in the formation of two daughter cells. This is amitosis. Now let us see mitosis. It was first discovered by Fleming in the year 1879. In this cell division, one parent cell divides into two identical daughter cells, each with a nucleus having the same amount of DNA, same number of chromosomes and genes as parent cells. It is also called as equational division. Mitosis consists of two events. They are karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Then interphase. It is the resting phase of the nucleus. It is the interval between two successive cell divisions. The cell prepares itself for the next cell division. Now, karyokinesis. What is karyokinesis? The division of the nucleus into two daughter nuclei is called karyokinesis. It consists of four phases. They are prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Now let us pass on to prophase. Prophase is the first stage in mitosis, or it is the first phase in mitosis. Pro means first. During this stage, chromosomes become short and thick and are clearly visible inside the nucleus. Centrosome splits into centrioles and occupy opposite poles of the cell. Each centriole is surrounded by aster rays. Spindle fibers appear between the two centrioles. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappear gradually. Children, now we come across different terms such as centrosome, aster rays and spindle fibers. You know what are these? Centrosomes are organelles of the animal cells. Centrosomes are made up of centrioles. Then aster rays. What do you mean by aster rays? An aster is a cellular structure shaped like a star consisting of centrosome. Then spindle fibers. Spindle fibers refers to the protein structure that pull apart the genetic material in a cell when the cell divides. Now let us pass on to metaphase. The duplicated chromosomes arrange on the equatorial plane and form the metaphase plate. Each chromosome gets attached to a spindle fiber by its centromere. The centromere of each chromosome divides into two, each being associated with the chromatid. Children, now we come across a term chromatid. What do you mean by chromatid? Chromatid is one half of a replicated chromosome. Now let us pass on to anaphase. What do you mean by ana? Ana means up or back. The centromeres attaching the two chromatids divide and the two daughter chromatids of each chromosome separate and migrate towards the two opposite poles. Now let us pass on to telophase. Telo means end. Each chromatid or daughter chromosome lengthens, becomes thinner and turns into a network of chromatin threads. Spindle fibers break down and disappear. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus reappear in each daughter nucleus. Now let us pass on to cytokinesis. The division of the cytoplasm into two daughter cells by constriction of the cell membranes is called cytokinesis. Now let us pass on to the significance of mitosis. This equational division results in the production of diploid daughter cells. What do you mean by diploid daughter cells? 2n number of chromosome. Haploid means n number of chromosome. Diploid means 2n number of chromosome. The equal distribution of genetic material. In multicellular organisms, growth, organ development, and increase in body size are accomplished through the process of mitosis. Then, mitosis helps in repair of damaged and wounded tissues by renewal of the lost cells. Children, now we come to the end of the class. I am going to give some questions as homework. This is worksheet number 6. You take down the questions one by one. First question, what is karyokinesis? What is karyokinesis? Question number 2, what is cytokinesis? What is cytokinesis? Question number 3, enumerate significance of mitosis. Enumerate significance of mitosis. Fourth question, why amitosis is otherwise called direct cell division? Why amitosis is otherwise called direct cell division? Fifth question, what are spindle fibers? What are spindle fibers? Okay, thank you children.